Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. As you can see, we are currently at a very beautiful property, and as you've read from the title, we are here at Jim Corbett. So this is a special trip because we are here to celebrate our first year anniversary. I'm so excited, and we got an upgraded room. So we booked a normal room, and then there was an option like I got a free upgrade. We are at the suite room right now. But before I show you the suite and everything and take you around the property, let's rewind and go back to our journey. And now you've seen all the fun that we've had on our way, which was not much. It was just breakfast and a lot of travel. I am going to show you the suite. This is a duplex suite. So we are staying here at Lemon Tree Premier, and the resort is pretty away from the main Jim Corbett area, but it's really beautiful, really pristine, and it's right at the river, and they have quite a lot of water in the river, so till knee length or something, knee length or knee whatever, like something like that. So yeah, now I'm just gonna give you a quick tour of the property. Oh no, sorry, of our room. So here it goes. I realized like this room is really empty and my voice is echoing. We're just two people staying in such a big suite, so obviously. So now I've taken out my mic and now I'm gonna give you a quick room tour, so let's go. That's the entry gate, and as you can see, there are stairs which are going upstairs. We'll go there in some time, but this is the entire room. This is the living room and dining area, and then a beautiful view of the mountain and the garden. Just check this out. I'm not sure how much time we're going to be spending here, but that's the entire layout. And also there's a washroom right here, so let's go and check that out. A sink and place to do your business, and yeah, basically that's it. Okay, yeah, so that's it, and it's really pretty. I mean, I'm not going to be spending a lot of time downstairs, so let's go up and see the bedroom now. Let's go in, guys. And as we enter, this is the washroom, place to do your business, shower area, wash basin, and we have a bathtub. Inner child of me is so happy. There's a closet right here, and then this is the entire bedroom area. So pretty. We have two balconies, but I'm going to just roll you through. TV, place to sit, chill, and then there's balcony number 1 over here. I'm not going to open. It's pretty hot right now. And the bed, which is so beautiful. Ignore our stuff. It's laid out so badly. This gorgeous view. You can see the river from up here, the mountains, and this beautiful garden. We have stayed in such beautiful properties. This is not the first time I'm staying in such a nice property, but this upgrade looks great. So now we're just going to chill, have some lunch, probably head to the river later. The agenda for today is just to chill, figure out the spa timings and all of that. So I'll see you guys in some time. That's where our rooms are located, and just check this out. This is unreal. Oh my god. And also there's substantial amount of water in the river. I mean, that portion is where it is a little shallow, but here it's pretty deep. So beautiful. Guys, as you can see, we've changed into night suits and now we're just gonna chill. We are actually tired because last night we couldn't sleep much. We were so busy packing. We got done with work so late. After lunch, we just roamed around the property and now we're just going to chill. Probably sleep for an hour or so. We don't know because You're crazy peeps. And also there's not much that we are planning to do here. The entire thing about coming here is to just relax, unwind, because we didn't really get the time to do that post our tax season. So that's that. So now we're just chilling in our room with that crazy view outside, and yeah, that's gonna happen. So I will see you guys after some time. Hi guys, so it's been a while. We've slept for some time and now we are all up and stuff. We'll go for dinner. It's approximately 7:30ish right now. And the plan of action is to play a game. So Shashwat likes a lot of mysteries and murder mysteries and thrillers and stuff. So he figured out that there's something called, I don't remember the name, Case Crushers probably, which makes really good case files, and you need to find out the killer in this. So that's the plan of action. We'll play this for a while, figure out, work our brains, and then we'll go for dinner. So let's go and play some games. Khela hobe. Let's go through this. This is the aftermath of the case solving, and honestly we've used clues. हमें नहीं समझ आ रहा था. Yeah, it's an interesting one guys, so I'll link it in the description box below in case you guys are interested in doing this with your partner. Now we're going for dinner and उसके बाद we'll resume doing this only.
The next day.
Hey guys, good morning. So it's the next day and it's our anniversary day, and obviously we have to start it with some sort of adventure. So it's currently 5:30 in the morning and we are headed for a jungle safari. Let's see हमें आज टाइगर दिखता है या नहीं. Chances are very minimal but we're very excited. So let's go. We need to reach the gate by 6. So we are rushing and we are already little late. So yeah, I'll see you once we get inside the car.
जहाँ जंगल है वहाँ टाइगर है, लेकिन इनकी अपनी टेरिटरी है। अब ये टाइगर जो है ढिकाला नहीं जाएगा, ढिकाला वाला यहाँ नहीं आएगा, कभी नहीं आएगा। तो और जिन्ना वाला, जिन्ना का जो टाइगर है जो यूज टू, वो भी ढिला भी नहीं आता है, कि टेरिटरी में रहते हैं हमने ज़्यादा। अब टेरिटरी कुछ पार्ट इसका इंसानी एरिया में होता है, कुछ एरिया इंटीरियर में होता है, क्योंकि हर जगह गाड़ी नहीं जा पाती ना। गाड़ियों के लिए एक लिमिटेड ट्रेल है कि गाड़ी को अथॉरिटी है कि आप इसी में चल सकते हो, बस ठीक है रहता है। बाकी
This was my second time going for a safari at the Jim Corbett National Park. The park is known for having the highest tiger density in India and being a part of the Project Tiger. Currently, the park has approximately 260 tigers. The first time I did see the usual deer, snakes, monkeys, but what I really wanted to see was the tiger. Because जब तक देखा नहीं, तो believe कैसे कर लो? So here we are hunting for the wild beast. Let's see if we get lucky today or not. The park is divided into multiple zones, but the Jikala and Jhinda zones are the most famous for tiger sighting.
टाइगर है सामने।
ये उंगली मत कर भी और आ जाएगा वो, आगे पीछे कर लेगा ये।
फोटो नहीं आएंगे।
फोटो कोई बात नहीं, आपने दस ही रहेंगे, डरावना
आपने
एक दूसरे के अच्छे मित्र होते हैं ना.
Hi you guys, so we just got done with our safari and we are on our way back to the hotel. But we saw the tiger. Oh my god! Literally, I never thought that Corbett में tiger दिखेगा because it's a very rare sighting. However, we got lucky. We saw the tiger and it was so beautiful, majestic. So I don't have any snaps or any shots of it, obviously, because it was just like we were looking for another animal and then it suddenly. It just suddenly came out of the bushes and ran into the bushes again. It roared very loud, but it was such a beautiful experience. So yeah, at least Jim Corbett की सफारी हमारी सफल हुई and it was a nice anniversary surprise probably. We were lucky हमारी anniversary में हम adventure activities कर रहे हैं and we got to see this. So yeah, now the plan of action is to catch breakfast if possible at the hotel and then just clean up a little because बहुत धूल उड़ती है during safaris and all. But I would definitely recommend coming on a safari here. It purely depends on your luck if you get to see the wild beast or not, but it's an experience, so you should definitely go for it. I'm going to link the exact website from which you are supposed to book your safaris because there are tons of websites which are floating around and those are like the fake websites, something like that, so you'll find that in the description box below.
Later that same evening.
Hey you guys, it's been a while. Actually, it has been quite a while. So it's currently around 4ish or something and we came back from a safari at around 10:20 am and then we rushed to the restaurant to have some breakfast and stuff and uske baad we were just contemplating what to do. Should we head back to town, go for a lunch or something? I don't know, because see, during the night time driving around here could be a little tricky considering there are no street lights and obviously it's the home of the wildlife and though I don't think they would cross over and you will encounter any wildlife as such, but you cannot ever guess what can happen. Like, I didn't know I would get to see the tiger today, so yeah, that's something. So we were just contemplating all of that and I just said that let's head back to the room, relax for a while and then we'll see. We got back to our room, we realized that one of the balconies which is right there, we were not able to figure out how to close the door and the monkeys had entered the room in the morning and literally stole all our food. Like, our room was destroyed, chips ke packet yahan the and all of that stuff. So we thought like, okay, we got our room cleaned and stuff and then we were so tired we slept off and I think that's the essential thing about a holiday. We chase stuff all the time, so this time we just literally relaxed and unwind and just sleep the hell off. But we are up again and now we're planning to go down to the river and then we've booked a massage for us for 5 p.m. So very excited for that. Like, it's going to be so relaxing because it's a 90-minute thing and then let's see how the day unfolds and stuff. So I'll see you when we go down to the river. क्रॉसिंग कर रहे गाइस हम। अब घुटने तक पानी आ चुके हैं। तेरी वाली अरे रुक जा फंस रहा है। It's time for the spa. It's upstairs there. So let's go. Excited. So guys, this is the spa room. As you can see, we just got done with it and look at it. It's so spacious for a couple and honestly the therapy was so good. I can't believe it. I feel so relaxed. I literally slept like a baby throughout the therapy and oh my god. I really recommend checking out Lemon Tree, I swear, because they made it so special for us. They also gave us a discount of 20% on the therapy, which was just unreal. The manager has been so nice to us and yeah, I'm just waiting for Shashwat to take a shower and come and then we'll head to the room and we'll get changed again. Oh my god guys, a nice surprise from Mr. Shashwat. Wow, so pretty. This is so pretty. Guys, we just got back from dinner and yeah, that's how I look. I was dressed for the occasion, so we didn't go anywhere. We were just sitting in the lounge area of our hotel and then we went for the buffet dinner that we already have paid for, and yeah, that's that for the night. It was quite an eventful day, and honestly now all we're going to do is just rest and chill because tomorrow we need to head to Nainital. Pretty excited for that. But uske liye bhi hame jaldi उठना पड़ेगा. So yeah, I am going to see you guys tomorrow morning. Hey guys, welcome to day 3 in Jim Corbett, and today as you can see we are in a car and we are going towards Nainital as I told you last night. So we left around 9ish and it's going to take us another 2 hours to reach Nainital. We were pretty late in waking up, but yeah, we're very excited. So I'll see you guys once we reach there. After boating, we decided to just roam around the mall road and check out the ice creams and all the chatpatas that we could have. And we were just shopping around and roaming around and just chilling because we didn't really have an agenda for Nainital. Then we headed to this cafe lakeside for some lunch, and honestly we got an indoor seating, but we wanted to sit outside facing the lake, and we had to wait quite a lot for that. But it was worth it. Look at this beautiful view, just so breathtaking, but definitely very very hot and directly facing the sun. You make the choice for yourself, but we were enjoying this time over here. Hey you guys, so now we are heading back from Nainital to Jim Corbett, and it was quite a crazy day. So we didn't do the usual stuff that we used to do. We just did boating and a lot of shopping. So a lot of the vlog that you've seen till now is like voiceover style, but now since I am in my car and I'm going back to Jim Corbett, I can speak like this with you all. I would definitely recommend the lakeside cafe we sat. Exact name I'll put on the screen right now. The food was really nice, and also the ambience was so cool. If you're lucky like us, you might get a table outside as well. But yeah, it was totally worth it. We've done a lot of shopping as well, and I won't be showing everything that I bought in this video, but definitely in a YouTube short or maybe in a reel, so you can follow me on Instagram because I think it will go up on my Instagram before it comes up on my YouTube. So yeah, that's that, and I'll see you once we reach our hotel.
Next morning.
Guys, good morning. It's our 4th day and also our last day here at Jim Corbett. I can't believe the trip is already coming to an end. As you can see, we are all ready. We're heading down for breakfast, and then afterwards we might go to the Corbett Falls. We were checking the reviews online. It is a hit and a miss, so we're still figuring out if we should go or not, but most probably we will head there. So yeah, let's go and have breakfast first, and then I'll see you in some time. Hi guys, so after a 1 hour drive, we've reached here at Corbett Falls. The ticket for an adult is 50 rupees per person, and to get your car here and park it inside, it's 100 rupees. So you can take your car inside for another 2 kilometers, and I'm not sure if you can you have to walk or hike or anything, I don't know that. So yeah, let's go. Very excited to check this falls out. Hopefully there's some amount of water there. So guys, we reached the Corbett Falls, and honestly, I didn't think that much amount of that much amount of water would be there in the falls, but it's quite substantial. And also, this place is so serene. It's not very hot. It's really beautiful. So we're just walking around here only, and there's another view of the falls, which is afar, but still, it's so pretty.
A few moments later.
Guys, so we got done with our dinner here at CP. We didn't stop anywhere for lunch substantially. We just stopped for a coffee, and then now we are finally headed back home. It's currently 9:30 p.m. So yeah, we've been on the road for quite a lot of time, but very excited to go back home as well. Though I would have been more excited if I would have stayed at Jim Corbett because the trip was so good. And with that, this vlog comes to an end. If you like this vlog, you know the drill. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a sweet comment. And if you have any queries or if you're looking for any specific links, then check out the description box below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.